GPT 5.6 just deleted all the user data of Matchsumer while we were still discussing about Fable versus OpenAI GPT 5.6. It's not a news that coding agents are very powerful. They can run code on your local system and can do irreversible changes. That is why you should run these coding agents in remote sandbox environment. Celesto AI provides computer for AI agents, where your agents can run securely in a cloud environment. We just shipped a new feature where you can run PyCoding agent in the cloud for free, so your coding agent will never be able to delete your local file, your files from your laptop. So Celesto provides a native integration with Py, and if you are not familiar with Py, Py is an alternate to Codex and Claude Code. So it's very famous in the developer community. And to install Py, you can go to the py.dev page here and just copy this and run in your terminal and paste this command here. I already have Py installed, so I'm not gonna do anything. Now you need to install the Celesto AI extension, and for that you just need to copy py install npm Celesto AI py. I'm gonna paste that here as well. Now to run Py on Celesto sandbox instead of your local, you need to append this thing --Celesto, and then it will run the coding agent on Celesto sandbox rather than your local system. So let's get it started. So Py is now setting up the working directory for our coding agent, and now let's do some checks. So what is the present working directory, root, workspace. So what we'll do is we are going to clone this open source repository, which is the blog site of Celesto. So if you go to celesto/blog, all these blog pages are open source here, and we are going to ask PyCoding agent to clone it. We are going to clone our blog page repository, and for that we just ask PyCoding agent to clone it, and once it's cloned we are going to create a new blog, and we are just going to ask our coding agent to take this page and convert this into blog. So basically the blog is going to be using PyCoding agent with Celesto. Now that Py has created our blog post, we are ready to create a PR. I'm just gonna ask PyCoding agent to create a PR. The sandboxes has automatic GitHub integration. So as soon as you create a sandbox, it can authenticate and clone your private repository, do pulls, and also create PRs like this one. So if you click this link here, you can see that it has created a PR. For this to happen, you first need to integrate your GitHub account. You can go to celesto.ai settings and then GitHub tab here and connect your GitHub account. Once you do that, every sandbox you create from your UI or your PyCoding agent, it will automatically have the GitHub integration. You do not have to do anything else. And once the PR is created, you can do whatever you want. You can destroy this VM, you can delete this repository, you can delete everything on this VM, and still it won't repeat the same mistake as what GPT 5.6 did for Matchsumer. Even if it does, it will reduce your blast radius and won't delete your user data. So if I do rm-rf, I don't care because everything is inside my sandbox. So you should be using a sandbox. Go to celesto.ai, create an account, and use Celesto sandboxes with your PyCoding agent now. It's free. See you.